Hi mga Serjents! Buti naman at napadpad kayo dito sa ating channel. So sana sa mapag-uusapan natin ngayong araw ay makatulong ako sa inyong school at makapagdagdag ako ng kaalaman sa inyong mga isipan. So without further ado, simulan na natin ang ating talakayan. Let's bring it on!
Ang mundo ng numero parang bituin sa langit. Nagkikislapan at may sariling awit. Mga simbolo, mga bilang, mga hugis na makulay. Sa dulo ng kwento, mahika ang taglay. Kumukit ng linya, ikonekta bawat dulo. Ang bawat numero, may lihim na kwento. Magsaya, magsaya, sa mundo ng matematika. May kwento, may tanong, at sagot na mahiwaga. Bilangin ang bituin, bumulong sa hangin. Umawit, sumayaw, sabay-sabay na humiyaw. Bilangin ang bituin, bumulong sa hangin. Umawit, sumayaw, sabay-sabay na humiyaw.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Ayan. So, hi guys! Okay na So, last video ay nalaman natin paano mag-add and mag-subtract ng integers. Ngayon, malalaman natin paano naman ito minumultiply or dinidivide. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano ba ang rules pag nagmumultiply at nagdi-divide tayo ng integers? So again, ang multiplication and division, same rule yan ng sinusunod. And so is true with addition and subtraction. Okay, sila yung same rule ang sinusunod with some variation lang. Depende kung ito'y addition or subtraction. Itong multiplication and division, mas madali ang rules nito kasi wala siyang variation. Ibig sabihin, talagang same na same ang kanilang ginagawa. Okay? Paano yun? So, ito yung ating mga sample. 2 times 3, 6 daw. Negative 2 times negative 3 is 6 then. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. And negative 2 times 3 is negative 6 also. So, like addition and subtraction, may dalawa tayong rules pagdating sa multiplication and division. And yung dalawang rules na yon ay makikita natin first sa 1 and 2 and second sa 3 and 4. Ayan, ano kaya na-observe nyo na rules na makikita natin dito? Sa 1 and 2 ang rule 1, sa 3 and 4 ang rule 2. Ayan, ma-observe natin na sa 1 and 2, yung number 1, same positive, positive ang sagot. Yung number 2, same negative, positive ang sagot. In short, our rule 1 is the same sign rule. So, di ba may same sign rule tayo sa addition and subtraction? Ganon din naman sa multiplication and division. May same sign rule din tayo. Kaso ang ginagawa natin dito, sa same sign rule, ginagawa lamang natin yung operation. Okay, we disregard first yung sign. 2 times 3 is 6. So, yung negative 2 times negative 3, we just multiply that 2 times 3. And then, we check whether they are same sign or different. Pagka same sign, automatic ang final answer ay positive. Okay, ganun lang yon. Makikita natin sa 3, 2 and 3, minultiply lang natin, naging 6. And then, saka natin tingnan yung given na sinusolve. Isang positive, isang negative, they are different sign. Kaya final answer will be negative. Yan lang ang rules ng multiplication and division. Perform the operation and after that, kung siya ay same sign, positive ang final answer. Perform the operation and if they are different sign, automatic, negative ang operation. And of course, para mas mabilis nating matandaan, let's have a video, okay? Ayan, so let's sing the rules, okay? The song is entitled Multiplication of Integers, in which It's in the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So paano yon? Ganito lang siya, no? Same sign, positive. Yan. Next line, different sign is negative. Then perform the operation and you'll get the solution. Same sign, positive. Different sign is negative. May pagpiyok pa. Yan. Okay, so again, let's sing the song. This is the multiplication of integers song in the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Sound check. And 1, 2, 3, go. Same sign, positive. Different sign is negative. Then perform the operation and you'll get the solution. Same sign, positive. Different sign is negative. Ayan. So, yun lang Pagka same sign, positive ang sagot. Pag different sign, negative ang sagot. And then yung number, you just perform the operation para makuha mo ang tamang sagot. Na. Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung nakuha mo yung rules. Let's try this 5. Okay. So, una, let's have the 30 times 5. So, first, we just perform the operation. Okay? Una na natin gagawin yan. 30 times 5 is 150. And step 2, so 2 steps din ito per rule. Gaya ng addition, subtraction. Identify natin kung siya ay same or different. So, since same sign yung ating multipliers, ang final answer ay positive. Okay, o diba madali lang? Although maraming nalilito, especially pag pinagsama na yung addition, subtraction, at saka multiplication, division, pag halo-halo na sila. Always remember, magkaiba ang rule ng plus minus sa times divide. Ang same ay plus minus, same yan. Ang times divide, may sariling rule din yan na same silang dalawa. Number 2, negative 4 times negative 7. Let's perform. So, negative 4 times negative 7, yung 4 and 7 muna, i-multiply natin. So, that's 7, 14, 21, 28. And let's check yung kanilang sign. So, they are both negative, so same sign, positive ang sagot. Kaya 28 na positive ang sagot sa number 2. Nakukuha? So, tingnan natin yung number 3. So, let's perform 9 times 3. Disregard muna natin yung sign. So, that's 27. And then step 2, let's check whether same or different. So, yung 9 ay positive, yung 3 ay negative. They are different sign, kaya ang final answer dito automatically will be negative 27. Negative ang sagot dito dahil different sign sila. Number 4, negative 6 times 5. So, yung 6 times 5 lang muna. That is 30. Then, perform the operation. After that, let's check whether same sign or different sign. So, isang negative, isang positive, different. Kaya ang sagot ay negative 30. Different sign kasi sila. How about number 5? Ito ay division. Same rule. You just perform the operation. So, yung 10 and 2 muna, ipag-divide natin. And it will give us 5 as quotient. Then, saka natin i-check. Dahil magkaibang sign sila, isang positive 10, isang negative 2, ang final answer ay negative dapat, which is negative 5. At ganun lang tayo mag-multiply at mag-divide ng integers. I-solve mo lang. Don't check muna yung sign. Pag may sagot ka na, saka mo i-check yung sign kung same or different. Pag same, positive ang final answer. Pag different, edi negative ang final answer. As simple as that. O, diba mas madali siya sa addition, subtraction. Addition, subtraction kasi ay, sa subtraction, may tinatawag pa tayong keep, switch, change. Tama? And then sa addition, so nagkakaroon siya ng parang kakaiba. Like, kung nag-a-add ka ng different signed numbers, subtraction yung ginagawa nating process. Ito, ang process nito, kung siya i-multiply, i-multiply mo lang. Kung siya i-divide, i-divide mo lang. And at the end of the process mo pa, i-check ang sign. Kung same sign, positive ang final answer. kung different sign, negative ang final answer. And ayan, let's see kung nakuha mo. Try to answer these 4 questions. So, pwede mong i-pause para makapag-solve ka ng ayos and let's see kung makukuha mo ang tamang sagot. Okay, go! Galingan! And let's see kung nakuha mo talaga. So, number 1 is 13 times 15. Let's multiply them. It will give us a product of 195. And then, let's check the sign. Both positive, meaning same sign, kaya positive ang final answer. Yun, 195. Number 2, let's perform. Disregard muna natin yung sign. So, this will be 80 divided by 20. At ang quotient na makukuha natin ay 4. Then, step 2, saka natin i-check yung sign. So, ang given ay negative 80 at negative 20. They are both negative. So, same sign sila. Parehas negative. At dahil same sign, the answer is positive. Automatically, pag same sign, answer is positive. Okay. Number 3, 19 times negative 5. So, let's perform the operation. Multiply. Disregard the sign muna. 19 times 5 will give us 95. And then, step 2, tingnan natin yung sign. So, they are different sign. Isang positive 19, isang negative 5. Kaya, dahil different sign, the answer is automatically a negative. Kaya siya ay negative 95 ang sagot. And so is true sa division. So let's perform disregarding the sign. 33 divided by 11 will give us 3 as quotient. And since ito ay isang negative 33 at isang positive 11, different sign rule ang susundin. The final answer will be negative. And yun! Ganun lang mag-multiply and divide, as easy as that. So, sana ay nakuha mo paano mag-multiply at mag-divide. And mukhang ito na ang pinakamaikling video na nagawa natin. So, that's all. Sana ay may nagets kayo kung paano mag-multiply and divide. So, wag malilito ha. Addition, subtraction. Pagka same sign, add and keep. Pag different sign, subtract. Then, copy the sign of the larger number. Pag multiplication, division, same sign positive, different sign negative after you perform the operation. So, yun lang naman. Bye!